Welcome back to my kitchen faucet channel. In today's video, I'll show you step by step how to install a mixer basin faucet. If your old tap is leaking, broken, or just outdated, replacing it with a new mixer faucet is a quick DIY project you can do at home. As you can see, the handle is damaged and not working properly. This was a poor quality choice, so it's time to replace it with something much better. This is the new mixer basin faucet I'll be installing. It's more durable, modern, and will give the sink a fresh look. Step 1. Turn off water supply. The first and most important step is to turn off the water supply valves under the sink. Once the water is off, open the tap to release any remaining pressure. Step 2. Remove the old faucet. Next, disconnect the water supply hoses using an adjustable wrench. Then, unscrew the mounting nuts holding the old faucet in place. Lift out the old tap and clean the sink surface so the new faucet sits properly. Step 3. Install the new faucet. Insert the new faucet into the mounting hole. From underneath, secure it with the provided washers and nuts. Make sure the faucet is straight and firmly tightened. Step 4. Connect water supply hoses. Attach the hot and cold water supply hoses to the faucet and then to the shut-off valves. Use a wrench to snug them up, but avoid over-tightening. Step 5. Test the faucet. Turn the water supply back on slowly and check for any leaks. Run both hot and cold water to ensure the mixer is working properly. And that's it. You've successfully installed a mixer basin faucet. A simple DIY upgrade that saves money and makes your sink look brand new. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with friends who might need this guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next DIY tutorial.